Hala. Hala.
Baka nag-win. Pass, win lang to sa side. Keeper approach.
Paison. Ayan, Paison lang. Away. Ganto.
Nice boy.
Hala.
Wah, ayan. Wala,
Nice one, Kip. Nice one.
laban na. Tara.
Ayaw, gipasa. Go, push. Kaya Izron. Push.
Kus ka dong. Sige dong. Kus ka.
Oy, Paul.
Boys, Depa. Dong. Ayaw mo dia dong.
Agoy, nahadlok.
Sige, Clark!
Balik, Clark. Izron, balik.
Ano angat?
Okay, next game.
Balik.
This will be the final game.
Sige, huy. Sige,
This
Madrid.
will be the last game for the U16. U6 and U8 for pitches 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last game for our grassroots vulnerable age groups. Lagting na kayo ang init. This will be the last game for U6 and U8. Coaches for U6 and U8, we will do the awardings immediately after the game. U6 and U8 coaches, we will do immediately the awardings after the game.
Bumbo!
Sige dong. Kus ka dong.
Sige! Buha bola! Sige!
Sige dong.
Balik, defend.
Sige.
Nice. Nice.
Stand! Stand!
Yan,
Basta, uy!
Ito makasana to. Bawal sa makato. Gigi.
Sige! Para! Di sila kalikit ang gumagin.
Sa pabitang score. Sa pabitang score. Draw, Irzon. Abante Irzon, abante lang na.
Sige!
Sige, dito, ayan. Keeper.
Kep! Nasa mo siya!
Sige, katag defense. Oy, Captain. Pressure na to. High press. Ay, wala. High press, Gwen. Come on, high press. Atay na ba na? Wala. Ay, time waste, boy. Ay, time waste. Ayan.
Okay, next game. Next game, U6 category. Last games. Pitch number 7 for U6, Futbolitos FC versus Leon Kilat FC. U6 category. Pitch number 7, Futbolitos FC versus Leon Kilat FC. U6 category. Pitch number 8, U6 category. Pitch number 8, U6 category. Don Bosco FC versus Football Kings United FCA. Football Kings United FCA versus Don Bosco FC. U6 category, pitch number 8. And then for U8 category, pitch number 5, Don Bosco FC versus BAM FC. Pitch number 5, U8 category, Don Bosco FC versus BAM FC. Pitch number 6, U8 category, Divine Grace versus Football Kings FC. Divine Grace versus FKU. Pitch number 6 for U8 category. And then for pitch 1 and 2, U10 category. Pitches 1 and 2, U10 category. Pitch number 1, BAM FC versus DEFA. Pitch 1, BAM FC versus DEFA. Pitch number 2, FKUA versus Clásico de San Carlos City. U10 category, FKUA versus Clásico de San Carlos City. Pitch number 2. Coaches and players, prepare.
Go, get the ball!
Grabe, oy, layo pa yung kanya na una. Iwan tayo na picture.
Run! Back! Oh! Inar, ako na first game na yung Liston Clark. Shot! Sige ko!
Corner! Clark! Balik na Clark!
Okay, coaches for U6 and U8. There are 5 teams only for U6 and there are also 5 teams for U8. We have a single round, highest number of wins, Matic champion, and then ranking followed by first runner-up, second runner-up, both for U6 and U8. After the game, we will do the awardings immediately so as to secure and to keep safe because init na, lagting na kayo ang init. Okay? Coaches, please hydrate, rehydrate your players, replenish liquids, replenish to avoid dehydration. Coaches, please be guided accordingly. Hydrate, rehydrate your players. Lots of liquids to avoid dehydration. Replenish always. We have free water provisions, safe drinking water station right here in front of the Secretariat stable, provided by Ma'am Anel and together with the Oftidal family, the mother of Ate Shine. Okay? Coaches, please be guided accordingly. Thank you.
oras. Napay oras, Clark. Napay oras. Atos tunga. Aw.
Ayay. Kusga day. Sige.
That's the microphone. Referees, pitch 1, 2, 3, and 4. Referees, referees, referees. Referees for pitches 1, 2, 3, and 4. Referees,